Assalamu alaikum. In this video I'm going to show you how can we make a toggle switch using 555 IC through monostable multivibrator. So here I have used two voltmeters to better understand how this circuit works, and here two things new, that is this voltage divider and this capacitor. I have used here two resistors of 10k, and now I'm going to play this. You see, I have given here 12 volt, and through the voltage divider the pin number 6 and 2 is getting volt 6. In my previous video I have explained in detail regarding the internal architecture of 555 IC, how it works. I have tried to explain there well. Initially the 555 IC's output will high. When the output pin is high, then it will give us almost 12 volt as in input, and when it is low, then the output pin will connect with ground. Here now the voltage is 6 volt, and when we will give here more than 6 volt, then the output will high, and when we will put here less than 6 volt, that time the output will become low. Now notice here very well, it is now off state, and here is 6 volt. When I hold the button, then here 6.28 volt has came. As I was telling, when pin number 2 and 6 will get more than 6 volt, then the output will high, and you see it happens. And when I release the button, then it back to 6 volt and output is high. And now to here the capacitor is obtaining the voltage, and it is now charged with 11.9 volt. And you see, now I'm going to press the button again, and I press the button, and here the voltage is now 5.7 on. And as I was telling, when the pin number 2 and 6 will get less than 6 volt, then the output will low, and it has happened. Now the voltage is less than 6 volt and output is low. And when I release the button, that time this capacitor will fully discharged. You see that this capacitor is now fully discharged, because now this output pin is connected with ground, and this capacitor discharged through the ground pin. And when I press it again, and it will, you see, the capacitor is now being charged through the pin number 3. This is how you can toggle your output over and over again. And initially this circuit's output is high. If you want the output low initially, then we can do a thing, that is, we can take a LED and resistor, and we already know that when the output is off, then pin number 3, the output pin, it will connect with ground. So this time I'm going to connect the LED's cathode pin with the output pin, and anode pin with the supply volt. And you see, initially this output is on, but this output is off. But when I press the button, this is now on and this is now off. If you want to run a heavy load using this method, then you can use here in PN, and here a PNP transistor with a relay. Then you can use the heaviest load using the toggle switch. I hope you have understood very well, And now let's get in the hardware part. You see how nicely the hardware part is working as the simulation. I hope you understood this interesting video very well. Take care everybody. Allah Hafiz.